We talked to over 1,000 members to find out what they wanted of the new Members Mark Pro Series 5-burner gas grill. Now it's one of the best grills out there. It's comparable, if not better, than a leading grill that costs twice as much. I'm John Odell and I'm the grill buyer for Sam's Club. Every detail of this grill was constructed to stand up to the elements. It has a corrosion-resistant die-cast aluminum firebox, and the grates are made of 304 stainless steel, which is phenomenal at resisting rust. And most importantly, it cooks great too. With amazing heat retention, even surface temperatures, and room for up to 30 burgers, you better bring your appetite. We even added bonus features members wanted, like an extra side burner for more cooking space, and a custom cover to keep your investment protected for years to come. We thought of everything when we were building this grill, so all you have to worry about is what to cook. And that's why I work so hard to make sure you can always expect something special at Sam's Club.